Well, how you doing once again? Now we have our Hummelstown reporter, Donna. Donna has some footage from us from Hummelstown, Pennsylvania. Oh, it's getting mighty deep over there, and you can see some of the people cleaning out. So let's go to that footage right now.
Okay, Zeke, my toes are cold, but they're dry. I had to come in to warm up. And here's my redneck water collection pan. And I'll get back to you with more updates later.
We'll be back with more great reports from Hummelstown in just a couple of hours, so you stay right here on PNN. This is Zeke Stoltzfus reporting on the storm of the blizzard of 2016.